basically, Bob, what it's doing is as soon as I trigger the wand, all three lights come on. If I keep the trigger on, then the burner will light and it will stay lit and run until it's up to temperature, and then it'll kick out. But if I'm wanding and I click the trigger, all three lights come on. As soon as I let go of the trigger, it'll just shut right off. Not shut right off, but the lights go off, and if the burner is running, the burner will shut off. Doesn't matter what the temperature is. So I'm not sure. I've taken it out. I've cleaned out the entire heater coil. I put in the new pilot assembly. I have a spacer in the burner for the pilot assembly, about half an inch or so down. I'm not sure what else to do. When I run my Rotovac and it's constantly running, the heat is awesome. It's great. It's because it's on, and I do an area and then I'll shut the wand off, the Rotovac off. But there's lots of heat still, so I dry that area, I go to the next little area. Rotovac runs for a minute or two straight with water running, and it's great. But if I'm using just my wand and I swipe with the wand on, it's so intermittent. So I'm not sure. Maybe that's how it's supposed to work. Maybe let me know that if it's supposed to work like that or not. So anyways, thank you.